American Airlines and Carter's Kids, we started working together probably about 10 years ago, and together we build playgrounds all over the U.S. And every once in a while we get to venture outside of the U.S. and build a playground internationally, because kids are kids wherever you're at all over the world.
One, two, three, American!
Working for American and being able to have the opportunity to come out to Honduras to build a playground for the children here in the area has just been truly remarkable.
When I heard that it was a playground built here in Honduras, it touched my heart because I actually used to live here in Honduras in this country. I grew up, I could say almost like this, a bit of an underprivileged kid. So to be able to come back and help out here, it's just an amazing feeling. I think it's very special to actually be able to work for a company that not only carries people safely around the world to their destination, but actually cares about the world in general, I would say.
It's pretty awesome that a big company as American Airlines cares about helping the community, small communities like La Paz.
So together with American Airlines and Carter Kids, we did the water filtration system, we did the feeding programs, we did the playground, and we built relationship with the people, and we helped transform the city of La Paz.